Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing great. Welcome to my varnishing studio, aka garage. I recently finished this piece behind me. It was a commissioned piece for a client, and I'm really excited how it turned out. I hope they love it and looking forward to delivering it to my customer. So today I wanted to just do a short little video about how I varnish my acrylic paintings, what the process is, the product I use. So this piece is done with acrylic paints. I've already applied an isolation coat. Basically, if you ever want to remove the varnish layer down the road for whatever reason, to clean it, put a new coat down, it's a good idea to have an isolation coat on there because it's the barrier between the original paint and the varnish. So it just protects that if you ever want to remove the varnishing. So I made another YouTube video about that. You can check it out. But yeah, it's a glossy finish. So that's already put down. So now that I have an isolation coat down, I've let it cure and dry for about 24 hours, which is the recommended time frame. So I'm ready to varnish this bad boy. And the product that I'm using today is this golden archival varnish spray. It's a semi-gloss. It's archival because it is removable. If down the road, if someone ever wants to remove the varnish layer, that can be done with mineral spirits. Some spray varnishes are permanent, right? They're not made to be removable, but this specific one is. If for whatever reason someone wants to remove the varnish down the road, they can. And that's another reason we put down the isolation coat before varnishing. In case you ever remove this isolation coat protects the original acrylic paint. It's always a good idea to varnish in a well-ventilated area. The fumes can be fairly strong, so keep that in mind. And then also just try to do it in a clean environment without a lot of dust, wind. That's always a good idea. So as it dries, it's in a clean environment. So I grabbed my varnish. I got a mask. Let's go. Okay, I just got back. They recommend waiting about 1 to 3 hours in between each coat. It's been about 2 hours. So I just came to inspect, making sure that everything looks good and that it's, drying with an even sheen. But yeah, after inspecting, everything looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my probably my third and final coat of varnish on right now. So here we go. Don't forget to shake again. Hey guys, thanks so much for following along and watching. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully this was helpful for some out there. Maybe you're looking to varnish your first acrylic painting. I'm always looking to grow. Any tips or tricks that you guys have, let me know in the comments. But I appreciate the support. Keep painting, keep creating, and see everyone soon. Cheers.